Good morning. We are very honored, very happy to have you all with us for a new edition of our now classic IH Spring Conference. The conference will be centering around 21st century skills.
How to look at learning from a different perspective. Think like there's no box.
How can we improve collaboration, citizenship, or critical thinking skills in our lessons?
The world that we live in has radically changed, and this implies a need to approach education in a completely different way.
Our role has changed, and the materials we bring to the classroom need to change.
Students feel at ease. They want to begin to work together.
We may get better results when we become flexible and we let them just personalize their tasks.
As soon as you perceive that a student is having difficulty, give them some help.
We have to be able to develop this curiosity in our students, this hungry mind, this thirst for wanting to know, for wanting to investigate, for wanting to know the answers.
It's not about changing the system, it's about helping the teachers teach.
Students require it, request it, and deserve it.
This is the recipe that never fails. I believe in you.
No existe un esfuerzo más radical en el potencial para salvar al mundo que transformar la manera en que criamos a nuestros niños.